What is up? So, today I'm going to show you how you put a pen on a lathe. I'm not going to show you in this video how to spin it, but I'm going to show you how to set up a designer. Now there's many different types of pens, but I really like the designers, and I'm going to show you. So now before we put together the pen, I'm going to show you a few things. So on my lathe, this little mechanism like this can spin. Like this gets locked up. So I, on my machine, have to have that like that. Here is the gauge that makes it go quicker or slower. As you can see here, it tells you how quick or what setting to get it to go quicker. When this is on it on the smallest and this is on the biggest. It's F. It spins the quickest. This is the button to turn it on and off. And this is called the head, or something like that. This is called the mandrel. This is the tailstock. Tailstock has a couple things. So right here, this makes the tailstock move. This is the mandrel saver. The mandrel will go in the mandrel saver. This locks the mandrel, and so when you get it to where you want it, you lock down and then spin this. One way makes it come out, the other way makes it go in, and then this locks it in place. So that is the sets of the lathe. Now this is the blank. It has a glued brass rod in it. These are the bushings. Now, this is a small bushing. This is one of the bigger bushings. This is the other big one. You can't really tell, but there's a little line there. That one is in the middle, but the other big one will go on here first. Then the short, for designer, short tube. See how the short tube will go on here, slide on. Now, for a designer, hold on one second, let me put you down. You have to have a spacer. Now, I'm going to volunteer one of these not spacer, but you'll see later the joint together goes on with this. Well, this goes on this with the ridge down. The curved end of this goes down, and bam. Then this goes on. and it gets set up like that. Then the long tube, then the short blank. Then you pull that forward, lock down, crank, tighten it so this doesn't move. Thank you for watching. As always, if you liked this video or found this video helpful, please put a thumbs up. If you did not like this video, put down the thumbs down. But if you put down the thumbs down, please tell me why. Thank you very much. This is Will logging out. Bye.